off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. Note, this wiper blade features an aerodynamic spoiler. For optimal performance, ensure your spoiler is always facing towards the windshield. For installation on a bayonet arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Hold the wiper blade, placing your thumb on top of the connector. Place the connector opening to the tip of the bayonet arm and slide into the connector until it locks in place. Test to ensure the blade is secure by pulling the blade up from the arm until you feel resistance. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage.